The only day I did a mistake that was a blessing in disguise. I wrote Vera Nange. I was aiming to give it to Fie.
Okay.
Then I was aiming to give it to Shiba. Then I just did
You
the
switch.
switch.
And then it was a blessed. and let me it suits both of them.
Sabula kumuwa Shiba. Then Vera
Nange
kumuwa
omuwe
Fie.
Fie. No girambugizi wo.
Nakigenderera.
Ne mwana.
Nengamba naye Fie tayina oluyimba lwa dancehall.
I think
Shiba tayina oluyimba lukakamu. Ndoza twamala okolola oluyimba. Yes, season mubakolera nezi John Rainbow. This song Oja kundeetera tabu.
Dark start. You guys. I need SC. Chill. Oja kundeetera tabu. Let me tell you, kakati.
Abo bakubire wala tobalirana. Energy muteke mwakusana.
The Dax vibes?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Bro, let me tell you. Like artists, yeah, artists should be looking for you on an appointment. All right, so thank you all so much for joining us again on SC Media. Today we have someone that is, I don't know how I'm going to spice this up. Nino teka mwa kajanja. No, but not kajanja, but these are the facts, right? This is someone that has changed people's lives. He's an icon, he's a star, he has a very talent. He has a great talent in music, in so many projects that he has worked on, those that you know of and those that you do not know of that you are about to find out. He is a very warm person. From the time that I've been here with him, all I've felt is warmth and hospitality. And I'm not going to waste a lot of your time speaking too much. Yes, as usual, I'm with SC.
Exactly. Hi.
Yeah, and it's about to get, hyped up. It's going to be a great time, I guess. Yeah. So I'm going to let him, introduce himself so well because I do not know the right way. We've been having interviews with people and they come up with like a whole line of words we cannot even pronounce. Yeah. So we give it. We let amanyanga maji nyo. Kati tuleka omugenyi waffe ne introducinga mu ngeri jawulira emuwa amanyi. So please, you're welcome.
Esi.
Hi.
Matilda.
Hi.
Nange mulimu ndamekakanyizaamu twani n'abakyala ab'ebitiibwa babiri omu ku ludda kuno omulala ku ludda kuno ate bagamba mbawaddewo omuti kati oluva wano nga badda mu shawa.
Okay.
Yeah. Anyway, I go by the names of Dr. Brain, aka Doki. Some prefer calling me Lyrical Adam.
Wow.
Yeah. Lyrical
Adam.
Yeah.
Oh, why?
Wow.
Why? There is something in my lyricism that seems too old. No. Too old. Like it is from the genesis of lyrics.
Okay.
Yeah, because Adam was the first man.
Yeah.
Who is believed to be the first man to ever be created.
Okay.
So if you are lyrical Adam, you are one of a kind, and maybe you come from the history.
Oh yeah. You're not like these ones that you know.
Maybe I am. Maybe I've been learning this.
You're the leader.
I've been learning this and coming back spiritual and then coming back. Now I'm on.
So you have a lot of skill.
Yeah, I think.
From the ancient time to the current time. So it's a whole. This is a whole professor in lyrics. A whole expert. We have to praise the good.
Exactly, but
yes.
I know where you're going.
So you have worked on a number. Before I even take you to that part, this is the part I was telling you about that you have in common. Could you spell for them the Doki name?
The Doki.
Yeah.
Spelling.
Yeah, with spelling. But bategere bayinza okuwandika spelling enfunga bagenda ali okusearchinga ku mitimbagano egy'enjawulo. So how do you spell it?
Dr. Brain, the DOKTA, simusawo ngeri gye bawandikamu.
Doctor.
DOKTA. I had an intention of when I was creating that acronym, it was an abbreviation of a statement. Dreams of Kampala to Africa.
Wow.
Dreams
of Kampala to Africa.
That's the OKTA.
Okay.
Then Doki is something like Echisumuluzo.
Oh yeah.
Doki.
Yeah. Doki, like door.
Then
D-double-O-R and then the word key. Doki. So now here's where we're in common.
It's been my friends around me and fans. There is a friend called Jimnola MC.
Okay.
For him, when he had the name Dr. Brain, he was like, Doki the Brain.
Oh. Wow.
I'm always around lyricists.
Oh.
So it is easy to formulate something.
Yeah.
Creative. They've helped me create that name.
All right. That's really nice. Kati wanene wetukwataganira abatulaba, this is where me and Dr. Brain, aka Doki, aka Lyrical Adam, wetukwataganira. So I have my socials. I am called Jackie. It's my name. So
easy.
No. Okay, I'm called Jackie, but when I'm spelling it on my socials, I do not write it in the normal way that people know it. So I write Ja and then a apostrophe. Key.
No, take me to Ja, you girl.
Yeah, so I take you to the Ja. Yeah.
So, me when I get when I talk to a Jackie and I'm typing for them, I never type their name the normal way.
All right.
I type it your way.
Really? So we hold on, before even going any further, what's your zodiac sign?
It's Cancer.
Oh yeah. You know, I was
serious?
Yeah.
you guys are because I was trying to you know, look into myself and ask why me and you are like really connecting so much.
Yeah.
Maybe your zodiac sign connects with the Cancer.
Yeah, maybe.
That's why
mine is a
working.
Pisces.
That's why you are working.
Yeah, it really does. It really does.
But
It
for
really
me,
does.
Cancer.
Yeah.
July 21st.
Yeah.
Me 14th.
Yeah, turi yawo.
You see, me I'm a Pisces, and we connect a lot with Cancer.
Yeah.
So you guys, it's a whole thing here. Don't ask, don't abantu, whatever wesawo. You know, when you meet people that you connect with their energy.
Ne wala bagamba webesawo, ngo wala webulinze abutaddewo. Tobuyinza kwesaawo.
So you guys, tulina Dr. Brain, and Dr. Brain is, you know, your two names. Zona ziri identified in different areas.
Sure.
In every area or project that you work on, it has a specific name for it, right? You have projects that you've worked on as Dr. Brain. Maybe people could not be knowing that. All those that could be knowing, they could not be sure. So you're going to take us through the part of Dr. Brain, how it came about, and why you are called that name, Dr. Brain.
So,
and feel free, by the way, because
the name Dr. Brain, I always had the name Doctor.
Okay.
Yeah, kuvanga ndi musomero. I thought I would be a doctor.
Because you are too smart.
Maybe.
You did sciences?
But I was so kind.
Oh.
Yeah. Even when I see someone getting an accident, it's like it is happening on me.
Oh, dear.
It's like it's happening to me. Like, omwana sokubanga ali mukugwawo nange nempulira nga njagala
kugwira. Ng'ogudde nambi wulira nnyo nange.
so
I always had that care. So my mom used to say, "Hey, gocheko ojja kuba musawo. Tagana kusala nkoko."
Ngo n'enkoko otira ddala ozisala.
Kale mujjanjabi so musawo na asala abantu.
Oh yeah.
Okitegera kubona bali special binary. Yeah man. Nenze ndoza nali mujjanjabi.
Wali mujjanjabi.
So kati wa doctor nendikwata brain came up nga ndaba lwa mirimu gye nkola ki?
Gyokola.
Gye nkolera abantu. Nengamba I'm hired to think.
Wow. You're hired to think and create things that you know make sense.
Yeah, wherever my mind is in good shape, I'm a good writer.
You
Wow.
create.
You
And that's the good
create
thing with
stuff.
cancers.
I know. Creativity. And you know, pieces too are so like creative. Those are one of the qualities.
Every time
we don't sleep.
We create some stuff.
Yeah.
Wow. So
this is something very new.
So we have the brains with us. So where if you think you have the brains with you, you are mistaken. You're with the wrong people. The right person is right here. So what what are some of those projects that you've worked on as Dr. Brain?
Projects I'm proud of, or every project.
All the projects, and then we'll go to the part where you're proud.
So then
tugende wali.
So
nezoli proud nazo. Yes.
Emirimu ejjanfuula Dr. Brain okusinga gya buwandiisi obw'ennyimba. Era nga natandika mu 2014 nga nakava mu kusoma. City graduate nti oba nalinda ne mmaliriza na senior 2 dropout.
Oh, we've met a lot of dropouts that have shocked us, and we feel like we did nothing.
Shining.
I'm a senior 2 dropout that decided to use the English I learned,
which is so good.
To make something with myself. And I'll shout out to my school. In Nadalea High School, Tender Talents Kasangati. They teach people music.
Wow.
From senior 1 to senior 6. And if you're good enough, they can even help you get funded to university.
Wow. Out of music.
Out of talent.
Yeah, they teach everything, but they prioritize musicians.
Wow, that's a unique school.
It's a very unique school. And shout out to my big brother Chidimanyi Moses, who chose that school for me. I wanted to go to Kololo because I love to fight a lot. Nagalanga nnyo okulwana by then. Kati naye nantwalamu eyo kajjansi.
Amanyi olina mangi.
N'agamba tetugenda kufuna bizibu kutwala eno obeeko ky'oyiga.
Omanyi omuntu ayagalira okubba ebikondi. Kitegeeza oba weesiga
amaanyi g'oba nago.
Oluusi ziba mpaka.
Oluusi aba wa mpaka aba ayagala nnyo kakasa.
Abantu abalina amaanyi tebalwana. So kati bwe nagaweza nendekera okulwana era siddangayo ndowooza mukomera kubanga okubeera ddala honest with you people. Nava mu juvenile eyenaggulu to know about music, about songwriting. Nti nabeereyo ne baŋŋamba okimanyi abantu tebewandikira nnyimba zaabwe.
Baba wandikira
Nisano yawangudde award kibiki. That's how I get to know that songwriting can be a job. Otherwise nali mpandika nyimba zange nabo bendi collaborating nabo.
So in that's what I've actually learned. Not when you're in a certain place, it's not the end of the world. You can be in a place that looks like the end of the world, but it's actually going to show you the world. So when you get out of there,
if I didn't go
to jail,
if I didn't go to that juvenile home, I wouldn't know about Makindye. Atenga nalimbeera mperere. Nenga no one talks about Makindye Lwansonga. The biggest product here is music. So if you're in a home and it's not musical, tebajja kwogera ku Makindye. Nategera nti songwriting mulimu. Ate nekinfuukira something iconic.
Chikunyumira. Wawulira okisobola so nga
nga kinyumira in fact kikunyumirwa.
Yes, you know with talent. Kitandika na kwagala kintu kyokola. Oba olaba ekintu okyagala, you don't need any money at ng'otandika.
Exactly, and the good thing about songwriting, you don't need a promoter. You need your work. So people people get confused and be like, why isn't your own music moving as the music you sell? And I'm like, do you know how many songs I sell? I sell a lot of music that doesn't hit however good it is because it doesn't have the machine to push it. Abantu babera ne team. Like you don't expect Songs Avenue to get a song and they won't push it.
They won't push. Yeah, right. They have a whole team and experts that are good in promotion and.
Kati nebeerayo abalinga ffe abatalina bazikuŋŋaanya naye ng'ate tebawandiika ng'asobola okujja n'akwegayirira mwana nyamba please tonkolere kakadde naye nga naawe okimanyi promotion entuufu eringa mu bukadde 15.
Music simere muganda wange
nali nyimbyeko naye.
So the projects that are fed projects zebaliikiriza zikuba abamu ndowooza musakingeko ku interview ya omukulu Hildaman yayogere ng'ejja promotingamu oluyimba lwa Amelia nga yaluwulira
nga luwulira lukola
naye yatunda n'ekitundu ku ttaka lye
bambi. So music
kati gwe tebeeza gwe mukyalo omusajja agamba ntunda ku ttaka wano
kuteeka mu luyimba
ekitegeeza oluyimba lusobola okubeera olulungi naye oba tolina promotion
it doesn't sell
teruselinga
buli muntu abanga atalulaba media yonna etunula bbali ngaddeeka n'aluzannya naye nga ku muli tasobola kulungi.
And then also one thing I've also realized, I think with music it's like abantu oluyimba bate barwagala olw'okuba lulungi nti lulimu amagezi oba barwagadde immediately but balubakako ddwagala
ati wali olulimi olulira nga ebyaddala lukwatiddewo immediately nga singa lubeera luliko ku ssente
luba lugenda kukikuba
kyanjawulo kulweba kukaka.
No, you know why I'm saying okaka? You know sometimes you can make a project.
Sure.
Okay. And then you have people that do not like you as a person. You don't even know why. Your song is really so good, but they decide not to like it. You get what I mean? So, bobanga omuntu abadde aina proper promotion, kitegeeza nti n'atarwagala, aina ddowuliriza kubanga lwe bakuba. Okitegeera? All right?
Naye nga kumanyanga era n'ekyo si kyekimala. Music is something divine somehow ng'ogyeko promotion. Kubanga si divine kitegeeza ekintu eky'omwoyo. Kya mwoyo nnyo kiri too spiritual nti oyinza okwegendereza kangambe media yonna abantu bayita okumanyika kintu kya mwoyo kitya nti obulango oyinza okubeera nga olabye bungi ku TV naye ng'oyimbako bubiri. Kati kyekibeera ne ku music nti ennyimba zizanya 10+ ne mubaamu omwaka hiti nga teziwera 5 naye nga ziri promoted. So kati n'olumu tuyinza okwekwasa ssente naye nga ate oluusi twetaaga okukkiriza nti obudde bwenkanya. Time is fair. Kuba bangi bepushinze ne ssente ne zituuka ne zibaggwako.
Oba mwino bam ne kubisima, you need to have favor.
Olina okuba n'emikisa.
Mwino bam n'emikisa.
Okuba n'emikisa.
Bagaga bangi betumanya balina music naye nga tebamwagala bulungi.
So, kati 2014 ngamba kati ngenda kwambala ku music, ngenda kulya ku music, everything.
Buli kimu ngenda ku
oli ne bwangamba nti ngenda wowe kukuba ngatto I will go. Kitegeera. Era bwe kyali ngenda ewantu nga nsula mu studio nga sikkirizibwa girecordingira mu luyimba okujjako ngamba wandiikira bo bananyini studio naye nga omulimu omukulu nalinga kale house boy waka.
Olwo olina emyaka ng'emeka?
Ndowooza nali ntandise oyingira 17 bulungi. Ndowooza ngenda mbanyweza 17 awo bulungi. 2014 2015 ne waggulu okuva we nali
ku studio
we nali si recording nyimba zange. Ngolo ngenzeko wa mukwano gwange eyo bali omita Semakula Slider. Yala yagala kumutereza luyimba naye nantwale ekitende ku studio. Musajja wayo n'angamba nkuwadde studio kolerenga obwerere. Mugamba gwe musajja.
Osaaga.
Waliwe mbadde mbeera nga njera studio mboleze engoye okuva ku z'abaana n'ez'abakulu. Fumba emmere.
Bali bafumbo
gali makanga mulimu n'abaana abato.
Wali kubwayaaya.
Naye nga mpandikira ate bo abagala okuyimba.
Olabayo obakolera ate n'obawa ne music. They were exploiting you.
Era bwe nali nvayo beekyanga nnyo.
That's exploitation.
Tetusobola swala kyogerako. Kitegeera. Omusajja oyo ne mudawutinga. Nero mune wagula nengamba kangendeyo omusajja. Nangamba mwana nze nagamba bamita Sekalembe Shafiki. Nagamba kujja kukolera wano demo ate goze sulawo. So kati bambi omusajja yeye yamberera mulungi nnyo yali loona nena muyigiriza okubeera
n'abantu bambi.
Nangamba bayira wandika nnyo naye katandika kubanga buli luyimba luba n'emboozi gye lugusa. Nanyambako naawe okungaidinga Sekalembe Shafiki.
Bambi tukutumiddeko nnyo mukono Shafiki.
Era naye muyimbi mukubi wa gita. Naye alina ndowooza side gye yakwata ya music omanyi mugazi. Kati 2015 bennyini nsisinkana omugenzi Dance ku Mapesa omulemirembe.
Bambi tumusubwa nnyo.
Ne tukola demos nyingi. Mutafanya oluyimba olwo lwa Musawo. Olwa Winnie.
So abefula batalutegedde lwakuba nnyo nange ndujjukira balumperezaako mu by'omukwano. Nze simena chendiko kati because you see when you mention of Musawo, you know it's a different thing hearing a song and then it's a precious thing landing on the brain that cooked that song. You know? So we are lucky. SC Media, we're so blessed.
SC Media, respect.
So Musawo.
So katukola Musawo. No mugenzi Dance ku Mapesa ng'omuyimbi upcoming, writer upcoming, producer upcoming.
That was a real flex.
It was a real flex.
Oh my God, that was a real flex.
Yes.
Omuyimbi, producer, songwriter, upcoming.
Wow. Tonzi waffe yasalawo.
Omutonzi waffe yasalawo. Oh my goodness.
Kati omwaka ogwa 2016 ne baluta nga gutandika.
I think I was in VAC.
Omwaka ogwo gwennyini ne mwongera oluyimba lwa Magic.
Naye nga tunagenda ku Magic. Njagala luyimba lwasooka okuhitinga ng'olwandiise.
Lwasookera ddala owandiika?
No, si lwe kusooka. Yali yawandiika dda. But okuhitinga ne lugenda all over the world. How did you feel? Nga lwodda Musawo.
Feeling tesobola kudda kuba kati
tebannaba kutegeera bw'ogamba Musawo, they are not understanding Musawo what, who sang this song.
Teri Musawo nno ate oluyimba lwa Musawo nno lwa lusinga olw'okuba iconic.
No, like Chengamba, like the artist.
Oluyimba lwa Winnie
Nwaji, the beautiful.
Era ne leo twogedde ne ku Dance ku Mapesa.
Yes, Dance ku Mapesa, yeah.
So olwo oluyimba lwe nasooka owulirako nga buli wenzira luzannya.
Bane lwatambula.
Then oluyimba olulala olwaddamu otambula bwetyo wadde si nnyo naye wali oluyimba lwange lwe nakeera nga buli omu alupostinze Timu Kamoli. Timu Kamoli. Nenkeera nga buli muntu alupostinze nengamba
ng'olina bisima just olina bintu byo then omutonzi n'asalawo ate najja in your favor.
Oluyimba luli lwantabula nendowooza ngezze.
N'owulira ebiwawaatiro
nenzizaako olulala ne balutunuulira bwe bati
nga batatulabye.
Kati bwe namanyira nti hiiti ekolebwa mu studio, hiiti ezaalibwa nga yakuba hiiti, ekiyinza ogitta kugaana gifulumya neera bayinza okubbaka disiki ne bagifulumya
ate n'okaaba.
At least bagikubbako omuntu n'agita nokekanga nawe ku TikTok.
Kati bw'oba tolupremierinze officially,
oba tolutadde, it will find a way of getting out.
So nawe bakanyakulayo.
Kati oluluyimba nali ntaddeko obutikitiki 3 nga ngezesa olwo lwa Timu Kamoli. Buli omu n'alunsaba bwenata video nakeera nga buli blogger agipostinze sere Facebook ye yaliko annaye nga posti ziri kuli nga
comments
nensanyuka. So kati mu process eyo ne tukola oluyimba lwa actually oba oluyimba lwa Kisasi kimu lwe lwasooka Magic.
What?
Shiba Kalungi.
Ogamba luno olwagundi olwashibanga linga lyeri egundi babayitayo wa Iraq. Wa my goodness, that was it. Kisasi, that was my song. What?
Netufuna nomination ya Mama's Awards MTV.
On a song that you wrote yourself. You guys.
Actually, I had written it myself. Then Wani one of he's around. Yeah, mastermind one. Yeah, nali nkoze oluyimba olwo nga omanyi dancehall. Obeera nga alina abalabe. Watu olina
Yolanda created this part of, was it the part where she's like
even the name Swag Mama, that's when I named her Swag Mama.
Does she pay you for that?
No, she's my daughter somehow in spirit.
No, but still, like, credits have to be given.
She's my daughter in spirit of music.
Oh my goodness. No, how is that thing? I enjoy that part.
Nga babi nga basalamala Swag Mama.
That girl, yeah, she sat in your song perfectly.
Yeah, fetu bakolera amawulire ne bagafulumyanga nagamusima tayirire.
You guys, I'm dreaming.
Yeah, that was the birth of the title Swag Mama.
Okay.
Nali mpandise nze neyise Swag Dada.
Okay.
Nali nkakoze nga kange, but it fits so much.
Do you know if you just came up with a remix of that song, it could be a banger?
Yeah, but I was too young.
No, even now, like, you bring it back
Did
up.
you think about it or you didn't think about it?
I didn't.
You guys, me, I'm so excited. I don't know.
Then we did. Then we did that magic. Netukola gundi, juice wa mango.
Wow. Rema na makula.
Then waita webanga o netukola oluyimba lwa Lydia Jasmine. Walinda cholinda bide.
You guys, I think all the songs that you're saying, first of all, they've ever been on my favorite list. My phone, you know, I'm this kind of person. I listen to a song until I reach a point about to take a I feel like tearing up. So I'm like, I'm an obsessive lover. So I listened to that. I even remember how my life was when that song Forever was playing for Jiswa Mango. There was some guy that I used to like crush on. And you know, you be in your car room and then you're imagining, you know, I live a lot in a dream world, So you be there, you're imagining, oh my God, I can imagine I get my boo, and then like you can be there, and you know the videos of like juices and then trying out a guy's clothes, So I saw the video, like, you know how she was doing all those things for that guy, and then you're like, oh my God, yeah, I could do that. Oh my God, so young. So you're that guy that was there making us have sleepless nights. Oh Lord, so nice.
Obuteerabira bulungi bwetuva ku juice wa mango ne gundi n'olwo lwa Lydia Jasmine netudda ku sabula bino.
Sabula. Fie.
Then nakupenda fie. Tondeta kako katijjo.
Neono mwala gubaita Babarita. Tondeta kako kazole.
Skills on the beat, rest in peace yalukuba.
You know, oh my goodness. If we're at like if we had like a DJ and we decided to play the songs that you've written, the crowd would go crazy.
I think I will need to do that playlist and put it public.
I swear it is so legit.
Ngamba ngantekayo obutikitiki atugeze obuki chorus.
It's in a mix.
Then wemaliriza gundi fie enyimba 3 nasema mukolera nolo yasembera okola ne Babarita sawa yonna
sawa yonna sema sawa yonna bakuchawa something like that.
Kati ebiseera kangambe kati oyo ye katalogo yeweddeyo eyashiba kuliko kisasi kimu kuliko binkolera
na dibene. Yes,
you wrote that song. So all of you wait, not her alone, I am a shibaholic. And apparently I did not know that all my life I've been a doki obsessee. No, like seriously, because like all all the songs that he has mentioned he wrote, I was obsessed with them.
Yeah.
I've been obsessed with them before.
And finally you're together.
And we are here.
So kati
I have no problem.
tumaliza binkolera
Yeah.
nali part of Wankona Kona
What?
awo twagambira oli mulungi baba gwoliranye
Usona natanaba. Nanda kugambako kubongo mbuzo tulonga kawa.
twalokola ne Alvin Keys.
Yeah, okay.
Shout out.
Yeah, shout out Alvin Keys.
Yeah.
Ne Nikolai.
Oh, okay.
Ne tukola luyimbo lala Embeerazo. Era ne Bruce Melody.
Wow.
Lwaliko ne Avion King. Ne tukola oluyimba kanjogere bogezi zenzijukira nga ziri mabega mu nansonyi wane ziri mu maaso.
It's okay, just mention it.
It doesn't have
to.
Nkujjukira.
Otuwunzizza ffe tetukyategeera.
Sure.
Beera nange.
Beera nange by Shiba.
That song was sweet. That song was...
We are starting to blush.
that song.
Kwagala bitagambika. Baby,
right.
Gwe, you be there in your room and then you start writing all those beautiful words. Jesus.
Kati Shiba ndowooza katalogo nnene ezimu
Man, it is a long list.
Nalino oluyimba lwa Sipimika nze nakola verse za Shiba zonna.
Sipimi. I even see myself. Gwe, that's name. No, let me tell you, if I'm ever to be called to advocate, to strike, to say, you guys, you don't see this guy, I will represent you. Because like, why wouldn't someone like you have like a very huge recognition that's not just hype?
We are building it.
No, like before you even get there,
you're building
it has to be like right now you're supposed to be like those, you know, iconic writers are just there seated. You're the one that tells no, that song was weak. Yeah, this is good. Yeah, you know that kind of thing.
Echadala, some songs are 2 weeks, like 14 days.
You know,
because that's 2 weeks.
Yeah.
14 days.
Man, your songs are just so incredible. So incredible. Let me ask you something. From all those songs that you have mentioned, what's your favorite? What are your favorites?
My favorite didn't hit.
Which one was that?
It is called Something Sweeter by Kojo Derrick.
Hey, we need to go and
I think it's your favorite.
It is
your favorite. Why do you say it's your favorite?
One song, mpuliranga siwandikanga yolimba bweruto nendwetundako.
Hey.
Just he's too talented. He's a pianist. He's a guitarist. A great vocalist. Just someone ignored.
Wow.
Yeah, Kojo Derrick is great at delivery.
Wow.
Super.
Yeah, that song was done by Nesim. Runkawulira ngamba naye mwana. Era ngenda kaza kubanga ka TikTok yange gende ekula.
Yeah.
Ngenda kaza.
Bana me I have to do a challenge of all your songs, like I just want to sit and be like so
Bruno.
Katolea. Yo. Man.
Neda. Kama malire enyimba tudde kuzangi. Sagala bakuzange. Sagala bakuzanga ate tudde kuchi.
Right now we are talking to the writer. We've not even gone to the beat of the artist.
Kati oluyimba lw'empere. Olagundi olwa Crystal Panda. I was part of it like 60%.
Wow.
Yeah. Fumita embozi, even my vocals.
Fumita embozi. Yeah.
That okusudia kwali then
Muchisenge winning Raji and Crystal.
Twalukola ne Resignature. Then
kati wakuba ka party okunyumya that part of it. Oh my god, I knew you're the one that did it because it's what I even enjoy the most.
okukusaba kubuliranga oda muli kimanyi nti ekiddako kintabuli eno yesawa y'obuyimba buli obutakuba sho mu public
gwe obuyimba obutakuba sho mu public. Man, what are you?
Mbiraba.
Are you an alien or something?
Me, I'm not an alien skin.
No, like this.
Not is like this. Me, I'm not an alien skin.
You're an alien brain. Perfect. You guys. So we are now going to name you Alien Brain, Dr. Brain. I don't know what to say.
So, yeah. So then we come down to Gloria Boogie. Ola kayimba akata hitting anyo bakaita tukirimu. Tukirimu fena zena kakola. Then kweyaza oluyimba olwako olwanyashi.
Anagaja yimbo oluyimba lolo.
Andre
Ngataina nyashi yo.
Respect Boogie.
Kwegamba uyagala banyashi.
Nedda kakayimba gundi yakakola Andre.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, kamukolera nze namukolera ke bayita tukirimu.
Okay.
Yeah, kayaza kolo. So kati butongera okudda ku star bapya tulinayo Pretty Banks.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, inside.
What? You did that song? I can show it in my phone. It's like on my repeated.
Most repeated.
You guys, I need someone to come and give me SC because this is too much.
SC uno.
No, SC or your SC omulaba.
SC takujjako.
Nengo oluyimba lutegedde rap Pretty Banks. Oluyimba lutegedde. Isa njagala koko wachasamye side. There is this part that I love the most where she says Olinga November,
Ogamba December come, Ngamba Santa. Olinga November, Ogamba December come.
Otyo?
Nga Santa, Obema Christmas lover. Nebyo kweka, Ogamba ndaga.
Wow.
Murabanda,
Kati waliwo kano kagamba simanya nkuwamata something like nyonta or something.
Nkalamata
waze kwewe weza mumiro gano mata ate fata
nyumiro kukuwa byosabye
inside. Like where did you get all these words? Because you know one thing that I love so much with that part. Kalamata waze kwewe weza mumiro gano mata.
You know everything. Fata relationship.
I know. Like olaba dango chigamba gaiwo wali omuwazi rabadab. Ramadan style. I swear, like you are so perfect. Like, you know how you. Okay, I don't know what I'm even saying, but it's like when we bagamba omanye chibera mu America gwe. You know, when you've been hearing of all those, stories about US and you want to go to this place. Yeah. And then, fortunately, or luckily, you get there free of charge. Yeah. And then you meet all. You know how they say when you come here, this happens. Or sang about Beyonce. So I feel like you're like a whole United States, and I've been dreaming to get there, and I am here free of charge.
Pleasure, ma.
What?
Yeah, free visa.
Because you were good Ugandan. I salute you.
What?
Respect, mama.
Me, I'm not even saluting. I am.
Kneel down.
Muganye.
Oh my God.
So,
Yo.
Ndowooza. I remembered some more songs.
Okay.
Wali oluyimba lwe bayita babandana.
Tuli babandana. Grenade Official.
Aberayo oluyimba lwe bayita Picture.
Picture. Onkuba. You wrote all. Pinky. Ne Grenade. Cha onkuba picture. Ketutandisa chigwa chitya. Man, you know, if you went to the club and told the DJ, but let me tell you something. You should, I don't know if your management is going to do this, but they should do it. Like they just make an event of just playing Dr. Brain music. Let me tell you, it will catch fire.
I wanted to organize that this month, but this month, but it wasn't planned. But twafunamu obuzibu netugamba katukisukume to next year because I was celebrating 10 years, but in fact the real 10 years are coming next year.
Okay.
Because 2014 I won't count it because I was in hustle of being and stuff. Yeah.
What the house boy?
And a house boy.
And a house boy. You know there are house boys that are not exploited.
Yeah.
But you are even exploited.
I was a talented house boy. Yeah.
Why don't you the talent?
Nedda.
Do
Nga banneetaaga mu studio mu batanganya ku recordinga luyimba lwange.
You have a girlfriend?
I do.
Oh yeah.
I'm
so heartbroken. I don't know. Your girlfriend shouldn't hate on me, but you see, when you're having someone that's like so good and like has all, you know, I mean, you know what I mean.
Yeah, I do.
Yeah.
No,
but like seriously, I wanted to ask, like, are there songs that you've written for artists relating to your relationship with your girlfriend? You
can't sieve tosobola kukola kikusengejja mu inspiration. Inspiration is more inclusive than exclusive.
Okay.
Yeah, you think about the good and the bad, then you get the middle ground.
Okay.
Then mostly if I'm writing for Essie, I'll get Essie into my picture.
Okay.
And be like, how would Essie look on stage? How will Essie look in the video? How will Essie feel perform?
Do the movements?
So for example, if this is Essie that I'm going to write for, I make sure I make her do everything I want in my mind.
Oh.
Okugamba
you envision them in the whole
the imagination.
That's why my
imagine.
That's why my songs may sound alike maybe, but they don't. I think.
But do they even sound similar?
Because
they do not.
Sasichemu tubera nange binkolera wankona kona very different vibes.
You know, when you mention those songs of Mutima Gunkuba,
anti kyengamba nti kiva ku ekyo nti omuntu muteeka mu picture ne muwe kikye.
Okay, no muwe kimufitting. So you cannot write for Rema a song that Shiba would say.
The only day I did a mistake that was a blessing in disguise. I wrote Vera Nange. I was aiming to give it to Fie.
Okay.
Then I was aiming to give it to Shiba. Then I just did
You
the
switch.
You switch.
And then it was a blessed. and let me suit both of them.
Sabula kumuwa Shiba. Then Vera Nange
omuwe Fie.
Kati no switch.
No girambugizi wa.
Nakigenderera.
Ne mwana.
Nengamba naye Fie tayina oluyimba lwa dancehall.
I think
Shiba tayina oluyimba lukakamu.
Kamuwe.
Ndoza twamala okukola oluyimba. Yes, season mwe bakolera nezi John Rainbow. Yes, season mwe bakolera nezi exercise.
I wish you know what's going on in my head right now.
So
like omanyi watandise okwogere, I keep on remembering how those songs I used to like play them in my house, like all the lyrics. Owulirange ebigambo byonna byesomba.
Do you guys love any song by Aroma?
Yeah.
Which one?
The one that's B2C.
Yeah. That was done by Nesim.
Duno gwe twamumanyire ennyo baluyita batya?
Nsinze namuwandikira luyimba lwa gundi Butida. Nanoteda wansana.
Butida.
Sirina mulala, byana bimala. Then wali akalala. Check your lover, panenga janana. Then wali akalala bakaita
What?
I think a lot of even this song that she's singing with Fik Famaika.
Ombulam. You did that too?
Yeah.
So let me ask, when these artists are coming to you, how do they come? Do they come composed, like they're walking to a king in lyrics, or they come in their they have to change. Let me tell you.
One of my favorite songs was Nawandika. Oh, Chekecha.
Chekecha.
Olwabasatu.
Vinka, Winraji,
Karoka
Wait, Nindako, this is where you record from, right?
this is the record label. Nimba dinkolera ngewa.
Ola buli wobeera woba olina okukolera. You have to get like a whole billboard.
Abantu nga basayina.
Nge outliningako enyimba z'abantu b'oziwandiikira.
Kana ngenzeerabira oli mutuufu.
Oziwandiika kati omuntu bw'ajja. Omuntu bw'ajja.
Era ngena zijjukirira ku interview. Ngenda kubanda banga interview.
When an artist, let me tell you, you need to give yourself so much value. When an artist is walking in, aje nasoka nasoba. I tell what those are some of my projects. Because there is no. Tell me akuwebuza ate kakati oliza kunkolera mmeka. Let me tell you. They have to come to you on appointment. You have to hire me as your assistant.
Deal done.
They have to call your assistant first before you show.
Matilda, like I'm assistant.
Yes, I'm trying to be an American. Americans do 5 jobs at the same time. No, like seriously.
Matilda, I didn't know you were my fan, but you are.
Man, I'm like so obsessed. Do you know what an obsession is? Like I can just carry him and take him.
So,
yeah.
Mpuliranga waliwo ennyimba zenneerabidde.
Banageze ne industry netambulira ku music wo.
This song ojja kundeetera ettabu.
Dark start. You guys. I need AC. Chill. Ojja kundeetera ettabu. Let me tell you, kakati.
Abo bakubire wala tobalirana. Energy muteke mwakusana.
Let Dax vibes?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Bro, let me tell you. Like artists should be looking for you on appointment. Deposit, then I write. 2, you don't go below this amount. Look at the list of the songs. Come on. The projects speak for themselves.
Bwobera kankubuzeeyo esi. Omwana ono naisha yogedde kituufu. Bwogenda ogula kamera eyo. Olwokuba gwe okatandika videography bakusalirako nnyo.
Ate bakusalirako nnyo tebakusalirako yadde.
So kati ndowooza bwe kirina okubeera pennyembe.
You tell someone if you don't have this, don't come.
Netutukana okaayana.
Nedda kati ffe tuwoga okubanjiza. Tuwoga okubanjiza kubanga.
Because you know, omanyi n'obuzibu bumu. Waliwo omuntu gulabanga. Omanyi lulinga. Nali nyimbye, nali njagaddeko okuyimba.
Okitekedde.
So I remember like ogamba omuntu ampandikira oluyimba kati nga tubeeramu ebyo. Anti tumanyi oba lunaakola. Kati okitegeera. Kati waliwo omuntu gw'olabye ddala nga automatically bigenda kukola.
Respectfully tell someone agamba nebinaako mugamba
mwana bye
tomukaanya ogamba Matilda please help me work on that one and then I'll be like you know what here we have a policy before you negotiate on the prices we show you the projects that we have worked on and they're still running and those that we've just worked on that are just climbing on the trending list so please
Katonda mulungi laba chekecha wazenga ku last netabu najja ku last nolumu mala genda ku trending ndoka ngamba noli manalonze naluwandika
lwaki obirabira
nyingi
kuba nange katujukira
kati ng'ojjako kalubyera byanti oli ku site naye nawe wali waziwandiise tiro nolimba nalutunda naye nga
newenziwandiika ndowooza ziyinza okuba bwe ngamba nga ojjako zentunzi obutunzi negugattako nezengabye nezembadde just part of zazona zetereka wano kati
man that's I don't know I'm overwhelmed I think you should have a whole different management or like this guy should also like manage your whole writing also. There is the artist bit and then there is the writer. You know, they are managed on a different kind of level. Because now the writing is, I don't know, me I'm overwhelmed.
Yeah, artist songwriting is something we started in Bokwagalo promoting a music wafe. Because we thought everyone writes their music. So, Kati, it became something iconic. Era tukyebaliza Mukama twebaliza obulamu bw'abantu obusobodde okukyuka olw'okuba twayiya.
Yeah.
So now let's talk about you
as a
an
okay.
Yeah.
So the writing thing, but
to be ogede. Maybe before, kindly give us that artist, all those a list of artists, their names that you enjoy writing for. Nga you know ono muwandikira their vocals, melodies. Very well. Bomuolu yimba takuwa buzibu kumugamba kati vocals zambuse zikirize.
Singers that sing good with money are like this. Abayimbi abayimba obulungi n'ebyensasula baawukana.
Really?
Yeah. Abayimbi abo bemuyinza okugamba mbu biki
ate nga bayimba bulungi
ne kati found abakwasaganya ekya entertainment oba Uganda Musicians as what federation balina oteekawo policy ekwata abayimbi abatasasula ba writers because for crying out loud, even if you have a nice voice and your lyrics doesn't make sense, we are not going to like your shit.
Ekyo kye nagamba abaana nti osobola okubeera ng'oyimba nga Jamal naye bw'oba nga tonakyogamba bajawuliriza nko Bobby Wine. Kitegeera. The best thing you can gift your song with is good lyrics.
Okay, good.
Tezikaddiwa ne basudde bakyamuwuliriza
because of the lyrics. Even Paulo Cafero.
Paulo yalinako n'eddoboozi lyayiddungi nnyo.
Man, they should put the policy.